To check your account balance on Mighty Networks, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Mighty Networks website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Access payment information. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Payments or Billing. Click on this option to view your financial details. Step 4. View account balance. Within the Payment section, you should see your current account balance displayed prominently. Take note of this figure for your records. Step 5. Log out. After checking your account balance, remember to log out of your account for security purposes. Click on your profile icon again and select the Logout option. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Mighty Networks. If you have any further questions, refer to the Help section or contact customer support.